Welcome to watch this unboxing video. After unpacking, you will see that there is a main body, 3 legs, a foam box and a carton box. Next, after opening the small carton box, you will get 1 bracket, 1 cover, 1 discharge opening, 1 leg connector, 3 feet, and the screws and hexagonal wrench required for assembly. Once you have checked that all parts are intact and in the correct quantity, you can start assembling your own pellet torch. Let's take a look at the effect after assembly.